Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve longer looking lashes using just a mascara. Yes, you do not need any falsies in this video, but obviously there are a few key tricks that you can use to get the most out of your mascara application. All the products that I'm using will be linked down below in the description box, so you can easily check them out if anything catches your eye. The first tip that I would like to talk about is the brown liner magic. Now let's talk about this liner a bit more in detail. A black liner can definitely define your eyes and is the most commonly used colored product in eye makeup. But here we want to create an illusion for thicker lashes at the root. So therefore a brown liner would be a better option as it would give a more softer look. It also creates a subtle shadow that will make your lashes appear fuller once you apply your mascara. Once you've created the shadow look on the eyelid, I wanted to use a finger and lightly smudge this on the upper lash line. This will give it a more smudged out look and the line will not look so harsh. So try this one out. And once you've done smudging the brown liner on the eyelid, this is how your eyes should look. This is a pro tip, especially if you've got hooded eyes like me. You would need to use a waterproof brown pencil because this will be really helpful as it would prevent any smudging or transfer onto your lower lash line or to the hood of your eye. Now let's talk about the power of curling by using lash curlers. Curling your lashes is actually a game changer. Not only does it give your lashes a beautiful lift and curl, but it also makes them appear longer by opening up your eyes. So I love using this lash curler by Lily Lashes. This lash curler has actually become my go-to because it doesn't tug on my lashes, meaning it doesn't pull out my hair, which is obviously great. There are different kind of lashes in the market, so you need to find one that actually suits your eye. Just make sure with any lash curler that you might use that you use it very gently on the eye area because as you know, it's really sensitive and we want our lashes to look good, but we don't want to damage our eyes. Another benefit of curling your lashes is that once your lashes are actually curled up, they're less likely to touch your glasses or mascara to smudge. The next tip would be tight lining for a seamless look. This technique involves applying a pencil liner along your upper lash line right at the base of your lashes. Here you can see I'm using the Huda Beauty Creamy Eyeliner. Tight lining specifically helps to conceal any pink tones on your lash line and fills in any sparse areas that you might have. This in turn creates a very seamless lash line that looks amazing with mascara. In my personal experience, a waterproof pencil works best over here, so you don't have to worry about any smudging or fading throughout the day. Lightlining can take a bit of practice to master, but with patience and a steady hand, you can achieve beautifully defined eyes. You should also remember to clean your eyeliner pencil or brush regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria and also keep your tight lining routine hygienic. Now we shall go to the most interesting step, and that is applying mascara. This is a fundamental step in any makeup routine to enhance the lashes. It adds volume, length, and definition to the eyes. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it properly. You need to start off at the base. So you need to hold your mascara wand horizontally and start at the base of your lashes. You need to wiggle the wand slightly as you move it upward to ensure every lash is coated with mascara from root to the tip. Using a zigzag motion, wiggle the wand through your lashes as you move upwards. This helps to separate and coat each lash for a fuller look. Continue sweeping the wand through the lashes until you've achieved your desired level of volume and length. Another important tip is to focus on your outer corners. You need to pay extra attention to these corners of your lashes to create a subtle winged effect and enhance the shape of your eyes. Next up, this is an optional step, but you can build layers. If you want a more dramatic look, you should allow the first coat of mascara to dry slightly before applying additional coats. Layering your mascara can achieve more volume and intensity on your lashes. Next, you also need to check for any clumps. If you notice that if you've got any clumps or excess mascara, use a clean mascara wand that you can get on Amazon, which I will link down below in the description, or a lash comb. Gently separate and remove any clumps. I hope that this video has been really helpful in helping you achieve your desired lash look. If you really want bold and voluminous lashes, make sure that you're saving this video and liking this video so that you can refer to it in the future. If you've really enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, Comment below if these tips and tricks really helped you and if you'll be implementing them soon. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I really love hearing from all of my loyal followers. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until next time, keep slaying those lashes and embracing your natural beauty. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.